Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I got a little update on the cryptocurrency I haven't been on for a little while. Real life's got me a little bit busy, but here's what we have currently. The market's recovering. Past couple of days it's gone down a lot, but I want to show you something. The Accelerator network, here's the past 7 days. You haven't seen any major spikes, major drops compared to the rest of the market. That's because the community here is really believing in the coin. They're holding, they're staking, they're making their money. They're knowing that this project is about to take off. We're still waiting on the release for the coin exchange, and hopefully in the next couple days it'll show up. Once we get launched on this, there's a lot of people supposedly waiting to get into Accelerator once this exchange has them listed. Bitconnect is done. Okay, if you've seen my previous videos, you know that they are something that I was involved in. Fortunately, I was able to make my money and invest it in other things like Accelerator and make even more money, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of people that invested recently and lost it all. They ended up giving our money back that we had invested, but they gave it at a rate at about about $350 roughly. And they say the coin is at 237.54, and I don't think that's really true. If we go on to coin market cap right here to Bitconnect, we see that they dropped very low down to $16. This is the first time I've checked this out. They're back up to $42, which is kind of surprising, to be honest. They tanked big time, as you can see here. If we look at the 1-day average of them, all the way down to $5. You know, they've come way back up to what they're currently at 42, which is kind of promising. What does that mean for this coin? I think there's a lot of people that have lost a lot of money and they're trying to gain it back. $42 down from 300 is significantly lower. You know, I was never expecting to get my initial investment back, and anything that it can do is profit to me, because if you thought Bitconnect was legit the whole time, like 100% legit, and it was going to last forever, then I'm sorry, that's a pipe dream. And you know, they exited basically. They have their Bitconnect X ICO, which I honestly am not following. I don't really care about. I'm just holding on to the coin to see what it does. You know, it's on the rise, just like a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. But from what I understand, it looks like this coin isn't going to last very long, because they've shut down mining, they've shut down staking. They say that the coin is going to exist, but they've shut their servers down. So what's going to happen in the next 5 days? This coin is basically, it could cease to exist unless these exchanges like Coin Exchange and stuff allow the coin to be, circulated. But without their servers, if they shut those things down, this coin is going to be dead. So my prediction as a non-expert is that in the next few days, Bitconnect token is going to disappear off the face of the earth. Unless somebody knows something that I don't, please comment on that. I would strongly suggest to, hopefully cash out and make some money with the Bitconnect token that, you were able to be given. It's not going to go up to $300. I can almost guarantee that. The fact that it's up to $42 is pretty surprising, to be honest. So if you lost money on Bitconnect, I'm sorry, but I hope you're not super surprised. And of course, if rule of investing, which is don't invest money that you can't afford to lose, and you were getting greedy and hoping to get all this money, then that's unfortunate for you. But if you don't follow these basic rules, then you could potentially ruin your financial future. So hopefully Accelerator gets on the coin exchange very soon. I know they're working on it. They're adding coins every day. Get your money ready if you have some. I think I'm going to take my Bitconnect token and just exchange it for some Bitcoin pretty soon here, and have that ready to go once Accelerator is back up on coin exchange, or not back up, but once they're finally listed. It's a good time to buy, because that's going to launch them into the next level, which could be well into the triple digits. So still a good time to get in. Bitconnect doing all right. That's about all I have today. Not the greatest video. I'm sorry, I'm tired. That's kind of all I have to offer. If you have questions or comments, obviously leave them below, and I'll talk to you about that. If you ended up joining Bitconnect late in the game and lost some money, I feel for you, but this was inevitable. What kind of recovery are they going to have? Only time will tell, but the next 5 days is game time. If Bitconnect token continues beyond that, I'm going to be surprised. But disclaimer, I'm not a pro. I've been in this since June, doing the crypto thing, and it's unfortunate, but this was unsustainable from the beginning. So hopefully you didn't lose too much money. I'm going to say thanks for watching, and as always, One Empire signing off. Like, subscribe, comment, and take it easy.